Alright, my dear student, welcome back to your French language course online. This is Chidi. In this lesson, I am going to introduce you to the textbook we are going to use for this course. The book we're going to use is titled Liberté. It's a first year one French book for universities written by Gretchen Angelo. And if you wanted to pick up a copy, this book is free of charge. You can download a free copy by going to lightandmatter.com/French. The book is published under the Creative Commons Attribution license, which means that you can take it and use it, remix it, give attribution, give credit to Gretchen. We are using the 2017 edition of this book. Now, if you look at the table of contents, you see that there are hyperlinks that connect you to the pages where these subjects are treated. So if you click on the hyperlink, it can take you to that page. This version that I have on screen right now is the student version, and it covers chapters 1 to 6. One thing you notice is that at the beginning of each chapter, the learning objectives are identified. So, in chapter 1, for example, we have 3 general learning objectives. We have communication objective, culture objective, and grammar. So, under each section, communication, for example, you have certain things that you need to understand by the time you complete the chapter. So same in culture and same in grammar. What I have done, because there's quite a lot of information in this book, and you can see that the book is written in English mostly, especially the explanation of those grammatical concepts. Those explanations are written in English to make it easy for you to pick it up and read it and understand what is going on. But what I have done personally is to break this book into units. I've gone into the book and extracted certain information that I have built into units that we are going to cover in this course. So that allows me to structure the book in the way that I really want to teach this course. And also it allows me to extract the things that are really, really important and make sure that we are highlighting those things in order to achieve our learning objectives. So in that case, I'll be doing my explanations using the units that I have built out of the Liberté book by Gretchen. So you're going to be using both. So here is the website where you can download a copy of the book, lightandmatter.com/French. And then if you just click on this student edition, chapters 1 to 6, January 2017, and you can pick up a free copy. But because the author has done a lot of work in this book, so I will encourage you to support Gretchen. If you click on this link here, like buy this book online from Lulu, it brings you to the Lulu page where you can pick up a copy. Please pick up a copy in order to support Gretchen for his work. But if you don't have money to support, that's okay. We can still, you can use the free version to achieve your learning objectives. So this is where I'm going to stop this lesson, and in the next lessons we will begin the work. Merci.